Pancakes are a lazy morning must-have for me, but I like my pancakes with a little bit more pizzazz. Rich, flavorful, and way more filling because I use buckwheat. So let me introduce you to buckwheat, which actually is not a wheat at all. It's a seed, and it's related to rhubarb of all things. It's the nice, dark, brooding cousin to your usual flapjack. A little baking powder. Some baking soda. Salt. And for some sweetness, a little sugar. Buckwheat can get a little too serious. So to make killer pancakes, I need buttermilk. Buttermilk is just gonna lighten them up and make them nice and fluffy. Stir it up well, or you're gonna have fried eggs in your pancakes. Melted butter and vanilla. And for a little edible aromatherapy, can't be grouchy when you got this scent going on. Now for the magic. The hardest thing about pancakes is the anticipation. Get in my belly. Now this is where the fun part is. I wish that I could have pancakes every single morning, but it's just not the case. So when I do make them, I want them to be a flavor bomb, which is why I use coconut oil. Has a high smoke point and such a delicious flavor. It's a little thicker, so you might have to play with it a bit. Now we just watch and wait for the bubbles. I said dark and brooding, right? Buckwheat pancakes are a pretty amazing color. Pancakes require patience. There's no two ways about it. But they smell so good as you wait. Let's see. Impress your brunch guests or fail horribly. Fail horribly. Number 2, the Olympic hurdles. Here we go. Success, she does it. In the pan, not on the backside. There's always one sacrificial pancake. That's okay. I'll eat it. They're ready. Put the runt on the bottom and hide it. Now, I love pancakes, but pancakes always need a partner. We're gonna start there. Nice and creamy. A little honey. Blueberry pancakes are a thing for a reason. This is what I've been waiting for. These are so delicious. Once you go buckwheat, you won't go back.